Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make egg fried rice UK easy method. Start by gathering day-old rice, eggs, soy sauce, oil, and spring onions, and heat a large wok until very hot. Fry the eggs quickly, set aside, then sear aromatics like garlic and onion. Toss rice in high heat to separate grains, add soy sauce and sesame oil, fold in eggs and spring onions, and serve while steaming hot for best flavor and texture. Heat your wok properly to get a nice sear on the rice and avoid sogginess. Add oil and aromatics, then fry rice in batches if needed to maintain heat. Return the lightly cooked eggs and mix quickly so they coat the grains without overcooking. Finish with soy sauce, a splash of sesame oil, and chopped spring onions for freshness. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving piping hot. Keep your rice cold and dry to prevent clumping and ensure each grain fries evenly. Use measured amounts of soy sauce and sesame oil to control salt and flavor balance. Freshly chopped spring onions add brightness, while frozen peas or cooked chicken bulk out the meal nicely. Work quickly on high heat so ingredients stay separate and vibrant. Serve immediately for the best texture and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.